present tense, and today we are going to learn past tense. Like present tense, here past tense have also four types. First, simple past tense. Second, continuous past tense. Third, perfect past tense. And fourth, perfect continuous past tense. Okay, but today we are going to learn only first tense, simple past tense. First we will see formula of simple past tense. So students, formula of simple past tense is S plus V2 plus O. S plus V2 plus O. Here S means subject, V means verb, and O means object. Okay. Now we will see some singular subjects and some plural subjects. In singular subjects, I, he, she, it. These all are singular subjects. And in plural, we, you, they. These all are plural subject. For this past tense, we need verbs second form. We have learnt now. Verb have three forms, V1, V2 and V3. But here V2 form is very important for past tense. So I have written here some verbs and V2 form. First we will see that. Main verb is come, means in V1 come, in V2 came. In V1 drop, in V2 drew. In V1 go, in V2 went. Main verb is learn and V2 is learned. In main verb give, in V2 form gave. Now with the help of given verbs, we will make some sentences in simple past tense. Before that, once again we will repeat formula of simple past tense. Simple past tense formula is S plus V2 plus O. Okay. Look here students, I have written here some examples. First, Neha came here. Look here. Neha came here. In this sentence, Neha is subject and Neha is name of one girl. Means Neha is singular subject. Okay. Came. Here came is verb. Main verb is come and V2 form is came. And here is object. Look here students. What is our formula? S plus V2 plus O. Like this. In second example, Ram drew a picture. Ram drew a picture. In this sentence, Ram is subject and Ram is name of one boy. Here Ram is also singular subject. Drew. Drew is verb. Main verb is draw and V2 form is drew. So picture is object. Okay. In third example, they went to learn English. They went to learn English. In this sentence, they is subject, but they is plural subject, and went. Went is verb, but main verb is go and in V2 went. To learn English, all is object. In fourth example, we learned to speak Hindi. We learned to speak Hindi. In this sentence, we is subject and we is plural subject, and learned. Here, learned is verb, but main verb is learn and plural means in V2 form is learned. And to speak Hindi, to speak Hindi is object. Okay. In next example, they gave me a book to write. They gave me a book to write. In this sentence, they is subject. Gave. Gave is verb. Main verb is give and V2 form is gave. Me a book to write is object. Okay. Now next example. I wrote a letter. In this sentence, I is subject but I is singular subject. Wrote. Wrote is verb but main verb is write and V2 form is wrote. A letter is object. Okay. Once again we will see our formula. Simple past tense. What is the formula of simple past tense? S plus V2 plus O. Means look here students, here came, drew, went, learned, gave, wrote. All these words are indicating all actions and processes is completed in past, not a continuous. Only these all actions and processes are completed in past. So these all words are past tense. In this way, today we have learned simple past tense.